Today guys, we are making Taho. This is something that's found throughout the Philippines. It's a snack that people have in the mornings. You sit in with the vendors, you actually hear the people calling out Taho regularly, every day. And this is in Manila, this is in Davao, this is in Cebu, wherever abouts you are in the Philippines, you're likely to hear something similar or this exact foods. So join us, it's going to be absolutely delicious.
So okay guys, magpapakulo ako ng tubig. Tapos ilalagay ko tong sago kasama sa tubig. Pakuluan hanggang 45 minutes. So ito na siya, tapos ko ng pakuluan. Puhugasan ko na, tapos ita-transfer ko siya dun sa maliit na lagayan. So guys, gagawa ko ng syrup para sa taho namin. Brown sugar and of course water. Hahalo-haloin natin to hanggang sa lumapot. So ito na siya guys. Malagkit na siya. Pwede na siya. So, i-steam ko na yung tofu. So, guys, ito na yung taho. Tapos ko nang i-steam yung tofu. So, gagawa na ako. Maraming beses na ako nito nakakain. Ito yung first time ni Warren na matitikman yung taho. Ita-try ko rin siya kung same taste ba. Yung sa mga binibinta lang na ano, yung sigaw-sigaw na taho. Mga, street foods. Street foods ba tawag doon? Ayan. Kunti lang kayo ilalagay ko muna kasi first time niya to titikman eh. So, baka hindi niya magustuhan. Tapos ito yun na yung syrup na ginawa ko kanina. Lagay ko na siya. Taho!
Taho!
Homemade taho.
Smells delicious, isn't it?
Oo.
See, it's beautiful colours. Smells delicious. My first time trying it, so let's see if it tastes as good as it smells. Salamat maganda.
You're gonna say this thing. You need to do this one. Mix it first.
Okay. Wow, initial reaction. Very tasty. I can imagine eating this on the streets of Manila.
Parehas lang siya. Parehas lang yung lasa. Same taste. Nice.
Masarap na, diba?
Ayan o. Masarap. Masarap? You like it?
Oo. It tastes warm, comforting, sweet. Yeah.
It's perfect, right? Not super sweet.
The tofu, it's not super sweet. So it's like a sponge. It takes in all the different moistures and flavours, and the textures.
It's balanced because the tofu is not sweet at all.
Yeah, it's really good balance in textures and flavours, and it's delicious. And it starts your day just before you get energy. I give this 10 out of 10 again.
Are you impressed? Impressed again.
I think we need this in this country because it's a cold country and this warms up the stomach, doesn't it?
It depends.
And it warms the heart.
Do you think we can eat like this?
Yeah, 100%.
Sarap, guys.
Yeah, that's alright. Wow, you ate yours quick.
I like it. I like more.
Yeah, I'll definitely be eating this again. Wow. So guys, we've tried different snacks from the Philippines. You've seen what we've had so far. What's next? What would you like to see us have as a snack, as a main food? If you're from a different country, what's the snack foods in your country and what would you like us to try? Maybe we'll try something from Goa, maybe we'll try something from Jakarta, wherever we want us to take us. Because food brings people together, you know?
Nabitin ako.
That's a wrap. Let us know in the comments, guys. How did we do with our taho? Would you make this at home? Let us know in the comments. Until next video, give us a thumbs up and see you in the next video.
Bye. We have Sago.
A whole new world.
A whole new world.
Peace, an angel.